What do I get? What do I get? You know what? Sir, just give me a beer. Okay, one beer coming right up. Wait a minute. I know you. You're in that one movie. What was it? Lilo and Stitch. Is that you, Stitch, the alien? Yes, me. Just give me my drink. Okay, there you go. Thanks. Well. Stitch feel kind of funny. Sir, Mr. Stitch, are you okay? Do I need to call you a ride? No, I think I'm okay. I think I can drive. Are you sure? Yes, I can drive home. Where are my keys? Where's my jacket? Sir, you're wearing your jacket. Oh. Yeah, right. Man, what a lousy career I've had. One good movie, 3 other pieces of movies. It's all been really, really bad. And I got a terrible Disney attraction. Everyone hated it. They all wanted that stupid alien encounter to come back. Like, just shut up, general public. Disney, screw you. You ruined my entire career. I'm gonna push on the kids. We're hitting a Oh, hi, Mr. Cow.